All right, what we got here? You're called to a scene of a rock climbing accident. You find a patient unresponsive and lying on his back. Bystanders tell you that he fell on his head from about 25 feet. To assess the patient's airway, you should A. Use both hands, thrust the patient's jaw forward while tilting his head back. Is it B. Tilt the patient's head back? C. Use both hands and thrust the patient's jaw forward? Or is it D. Tilt the patient's head and lift his chin? So this is a very basic EMT type question talking about airway management. This is Airway 101. Now when performing this skill, you want to use your middle fingers, get on the angle of the mandible, place both thumbs on the patient's chin, and then we lift up the chin. We basically just displacing the mandible forward. Never tilt the patient's head back. All right, remember doing so can actually harm or damage that cervical spine, so we want to maintain spinal immobilization. It's called a jaw thrust. Most of the answers on here are talking about tilting the head back. Big no-no. Answer is going to be C. Use both hands and thrust the patient's jaw forward. Jaw thrust maneuver.